Just a quick unboxing of power bank BASEUS. I hope this is how it's pronounced. 65 watts, 20,000 milliamp. Here's my knife. That's better. Easy way. The package is nice. You get a cable. It's not USB-C to USB-C, it's USB to USB-C. So warranty card. Some instructions. And let's see this bad boy. If you charge from USB-C, you have 65 watts. If you charge from USB, I think it is from one, it is 30 watts. But you can charge three devices at the same time. But of course, there is no 65 watts. It's much less. Here is power button. Let's see, is there some juice? No. It is something. $76 is this percent, I don't know, we'll see later. That's it about quick unboxing. Okay, thank you, bye.